Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem they gave us today, it's find the value of x. You might look at this right away and say, whoa, there's a lot of things I gotta find. This is gonna be hard. But in reality, it's probably not. You know how I always say, always step back and look at it and say, hey, what did they give me? Usually they always give you enough stuff to solve these problems, okay? So let's get this pen going here, pen, okay? What I did is I put the angle rules above. And like I always say is the more times you look at these, the more times you're going to say, oh yeah, I know that, okay? So what we really have here is a couple triangles, okay? And we know the triangles right here, the triangles are 180 degrees, okay? So we know that for a fact, okay? It's 180 degrees, okay? 180, okay? So hey, let's go with that. Okay, we'll start with that. So the first triangle over this side, they gave us a 40 up here, and a 40 down here, okay? So, hey, let's add these together. So we get a 40 and a 40, 40 and a 40. That's 80. Now we know the whole triangle is 180, 180 minus 80. Well, quick math is telling me this is going to be 100. Okay, so 100. So right in here, this angle here is going to be 100. 100. Now, we know the straight line one right down here. That's 180 degrees also. Straight line. Okay, what do we got here? We got a straight line. So if that's 100, this is telling me this is 80. Because 180 minus 100 is 80. So that's going to be 80 degrees right there. So now, hey, what do we got? Oh, in this triangle, we got two. We got an 80 and we got a 35. So let's add them, an 80 and a 35. We got a 5. We got a 115. And we know the whole triangle is 180, right? 180 minus 115. What's this give us? That gives us a 5. 65. So we know this angle here is 65. Okay, that's 65 degrees. Okay, 65. I can make an angle side. 65. So now, hey, we know the whole straight line again. We're back to the straight line. Is 180. So 180 minus 65 equals 115. So we know this is going to be 115. X equals 115. Square that off so the teacher knows, hey, my answer is X equals 115. And that's all there was to it, okay? And we just solved it just by going right around the whole thing. I sometimes like these little puzzles like this, these triangles, because you say, wow, with very little information, I can kind of, because I know the rules from above, the angle rules, I can kind of solve a lot of things, okay? And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you know any mathematical friends or any students in school, please share this with them. It might help them in an exam someday, and they'll get better grades. And what it's all about is the student getting better grades. Thank you very much. You have a great day now. Take care. Bye-bye.